MHz near Portland, Oregon. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service in Portland, Oregon. The current time is 11:35 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The following winter weather statement is for the following areas in Oregon: Central Coast Range of Western Oregon and Coast Range of Northwest Oregon. Winter storm watch remains in effect from Tuesday morning through Tuesday evening. What? Heavy mixed precipitation possible. Total snow accumulations of up to 1 inch and ice accumulations of around 0.3 of an inch possible. Where? Coast Range of Northwest Oregon and Central Coast Range of Western Oregon. When? From Tuesday morning through Tuesday evening. Impacts, power outages and tree damage are likely due to the ice. Travel could be difficult. Additional details, impacts to ice accumulations will be seen primarily on the east side of the crest. Monitor the latest forecasts for updates on this situation. The following winter weather statement is for the following areas in Oregon: Central Columbia River Gorge of Oregon, Upper Hood River Valley and Western Columbia River Gorge of Oregon, and the following areas in Washington: Central Columbia River Gorge of Washington, South Washington Cascade Foothills, South Washington Cascades and Western Columbia River Gorge of Washington. Winter storm watch remains in effect from Tuesday morning through Wednesday morning. What? Heavy mixed precipitation possible. Total snow accumulations of up to 6 inches, except 2 to 12 inches above 2,500 feet, and ice accumulations of around 0.4 of an inch possible. Winds could gust as high as 35 miles per hour. Where? Portions of Northwest Oregon and Southwest Washington. When? From Tuesday morning through Wednesday morning. Impacts, power outages and tree damage are likely due to the ice. Travel could be difficult. Monitor the latest forecasts for updates on this situation. The following winter weather statement is for the following areas in Oregon: Greater Portland metro area and Lower Columbia, and the following areas in Washington: Greater Vancouver area and Lower Columbia and I-5 corridor in Cowlitz County. Winter storm watch remains in effect from Tuesday morning through late Tuesday night. What? Heavy mixed precipitation possible. Total snow accumulations of up to 1 inch and ice accumulations of up to 0.3 of an inch possible. Where? In Oregon, Lower Columbia and Greater Portland metro area. In Washington, I-5 corridor in Cowlitz County and Greater Vancouver area. When? From Tuesday morning through late Tuesday night. Impacts, power outages and tree damage are likely due to the ice. Travel could be difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact the evening commute. Monitor the latest forecasts for updates on this situation. The following statement is for the following area in Oregon: Greater Portland metro area, wind advisory in effect from midnight tonight to 10 a.m. Tuesday. What? Northeast winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts 40 to 50 miles per hour expected. Strongest winds likely near the Columbia Gorge and across the West Hills at Portland. Where? Greater Portland metro area. When? From midnight tonight to 10 a.m. Tuesday. Impacts, trees or tree limbs could be blown down and power outages may result. Gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Additional details: strongest winds will initially be limited to the gorge and elevated terrain, but will become more widespread during the day Monday, persisting through Tuesday morning. Be prepared for potential power outages. Make sure your cell phone is charged in case you lose power. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects. Hourly weather observations at 11 p.m.